Love kilts? Love the outdoors? Are you on TikTok? Then you may have run into today's ambassador, Michael Falk. Michael spent 20 years in the U.S. Navy Seabees and served as the leading chief petty officer of a tactical movement team in Iraq in 2004. He retired as a chief petty officer in 2010, and after his service, he launched a career in digital animation. Michael's worked for DC Comics and Mad Magazine, and currently does 3D projects for companies like Disney+, Nat Geo, and Netflix. Now, Michael's family is mostly Irish and Scottish, with, as he puts it, a skosh of German thrown in to, quote, keep the alcohol intake well regimented. Michael's grandmother was a Madigan from Limerick, and she helped raise him and his siblings, so he feels especially close to that side of his heritage. And for Michael, his heritage is also a call to action. As he puts it, I am very proud of the Irish and Scottish histories of fighting against oppression and subjugation. For me, it represents a responsibility to speak out and sometimes act out against any person or group that would take away another's liberty, freedom, or life. Michael first got into kilting about 12 years ago. His son was a Cub Scout and he was the pack leader. And then one weekend, one of the parents showed up for a camping event wearing a utility kilt, and Michael basically fell in love and ordered his own the very following Monday. He used to wear them solely for the weekends until the pandemic hit. Then Michael were working remotely like many of us, and he says that even though people couldn't see him from the chest down, he felt oddly unprofessional attending Zoom meetings in his underwear. So he took to wearing a kilt every day, and he hasn't quit. Michael feels there are many positive aspects to wearing a kilt, but what he enjoys the most is the comfort and how the kilt can improve your social life. As he puts it, wearing a kilt is a fantastic icebreaker and conversation starter, and seems to make social interaction much easier and more fun. As mentioned, Michael is an active and, in my opinion, really fun TikToker. He basically documents and shares his love of adventure and the great outdoors. In his videos, you get to see Michael doing everything from overlanding and wilderness survival to cooking, and best of all, making new friends everywhere he goes. Michael's Jeep is outfitted for overlanding, and he basically takes it everywhere. He's lived for months at a time in the wilderness, for instance, on top of a snow-capped mountain or on a serene Mexican beach. He's currently planning an overlanding adventure in Europe, and I also understand he might be getting into Highland athletics. As he puts it, I love to travel and test the limits of my own experiences. I enjoy meeting new people, and wearing a kilt every day makes that really easy. Michael's TikTok content has attracted both experienced and novice kilt admirers, as well as other adventurous souls, and he tries to be super supportive at every turn. His key advice? Find your tribe. Whether it's in person or online, get to know other guys who love the kilt the same way you do. Seek out that positive energy and then move forward. And absolutely, if you're on TikTok, I highly recommend checking out Michael's content. He's just a great guy, and that personality and that energy is highly contagious.